Hi guys, so the first online website that I chose is eLearning for Kids. It's elearningforkids.org, totally free website. They only do donations, is how they fund it, and they make it available for any kid, anywhere, anytime. So this could be for kids who just want a little extra help or for kids who aren't even really receiving big education right now. My intended audience is for students as well as parents and teachers, as there is a parents and teachers portal right here. And if you click on it, it kind of goes over for the teachers and parents kind of how it works when you click on the math and science, what that's going to entail, and how to choose the right grade if you don't already know. So, to go ahead and talk a little bit about it, I clicked on the Math World portal and it takes you to this page of a map of the world, which is awesome. And you start here on this little buoy and you can pick the grade. So you can do kindergarten through sixth grade. It even gives the ages, which is really awesome. And then you start here with level 1. And you start right here with, having them count to 20. And then it goes to shapes and patterns, counting to 20 and on, days of the week, addition, and months of the year. And then after you're done with that, you'll move on to level 2 and so on and so forth. So it's got fun aspects along with educational, so it should make it seem more fun than just learning. And the two ISTE standards for education leaders that I picked are 1.-1A, which is to ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So this could be, the teacher in themselves, or if a parent needs to be a teacher in this situation, it gives them informed information and it's technology based and it's a really great learning tool from what I've seen. And then I also picked 2-2B, which is to build on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. And I went ahead and picked that because this is a website I'd want to share with, fellow educators. And we could collaborate with using these within the grades. So if I was a first grade teacher, I'd want to go ahead and collaborate with other first grade teachers and we could get on the same page and using this website. So yes, this is my first one.